Hello everyone, I am your friend Soham Duri. As we know, rainy season is going on. So today we are going to make something special, hot and spicy, yet delicious drums of hell. So let's begin. 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoon tomato sauce, 1.5 tablespoon red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 full white egg, half tablespoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now mix well all the ingredients. I have used my hand to mix. You can also use a spoon or a fork. Add the chicken lollipop pieces in the marination. While mixing, make sure that you don't destroy the shape of the lollipops. You have to mix it very gently. Now we'll make the sauce. For that, first add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, then add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and then finally add 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce. Now mix well and keep it mixing until you get this consistency. Now just before the frying, add 2 tablespoons of cornflour and 4 tablespoons of maida, and then mix well everything. Pour 3 cm deep oil. We are going to need a little more bit of oil because we are going to deep fry the lollipops. Let the oil become hot. Slowly keep the marinated pieces of chicken. Fry the chicken for 2 minutes on each side. Keep them rotating again and again. After you fry each side of the chicken for 2 minutes, your chicken will become crispy golden brown. Once your chicken is completely done, take it out in a bowl covered with tissue paper. Tissue paper soaks all the oil in our chicken. You can also serve them like this, crispy lollipops. But I will show the sauce for it. For the sauce, we will need 1 chopped onion, 1 inch chopped ginger, and 6 cloves of chopped garlic. Heat 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add the chopped onion and saute it for some time. After some time, our onion will become translucent. Then add ginger and garlic. Again, saute it for some time, but make sure you do not burn the onion. After some time, add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and saute again. Now, finally, add the sauce mix which we made earlier and keep it stirring until you get a nice brown color. On high flame, saute the sauce for 2 minutes. Once your sauce becomes brown, add the chicken pieces. And then stir them or toss them in the sauce.
If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe.